Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Research. In this current pandemic situation, we are connecting and meeting each other most of the times virtually. It might be any work like attending training sessions, giving training sessions, hosting conferences, hosting meetings. We are just using different digital platforms and connecting each other. But many a times, these virtual meetings are very boring and there is less interaction from audience. In my last week where I have given a training session, I have learned a new method of keeping audience interactive and attentive. That is using Slido. Slido is a web platform where you can create polls, quizzes, take feedback from audience and keep the meeting very interactive. In today's video, I am going to show you how to use Slido and how you can make your meetings more interactive. So friends, when you write Slido in Google, you will get the first link. I'll just provide the link in the description for your reference. When you click on that link, if you are joining as a participant, you will just have to enter a code over here and you can join. If you are a host and want to have a Slido in your meeting, then just log in here. You can log in with your Gmail or you can create an account. I have already logged in with my Gmail. Using this tab, you can create a new Slido. So you can use either the built-in templates provided from Slido, or you can just build your own from scratch. So I'll just show you how you can build the own for your event. So for example, I have some event schedule. You have to schedule an event. Then can you see friends, these are the different options that are provided. It has options like multiple choice, word cloud, quiz. You can also take ratings for different events. You can also have a form of feedback or open text, and there's a new feature called ranking which is also provided in Slido. So here we will just use the templates which are already there. And when you'll go to Slido templates, can you see these are the different types of Slido which are provided. Like if you are having some leadership meetings, then you can have ready-made templates which you can use any one of this if it suits to your meeting, or you can just create your own. For example, if we are at any conferences, we just want to know with the different feedback and how they have heard about conference or any like event, or how did you enjoy using Slido at this event. So when we'll use template, for example, and you just have to provide some options, you can even change the option as per your convenience. And when you'll save and when you will launch this, you have to activate the poll. So can you see here is the number for the participants, so here participants can join and give their feedback using this QR code or even using this number. This is the participant code. So you can see, right, the people how they provide the feedback will be recorded over here. When you'll go to main session, you'll see that our responses are recorded. You can save the responses and even refer them back whenever you need it. You can also share this particular link with the participants from here. When you'll just click on that, the link will be copied. When we will go to analytics, you can see that the responses has been recorded. You can even download the responses and also export to your Google Drive. So there are different options available in Slido. For example, I want to create a company meeting template. I just want to take a rating from the participants. So when we'll say launch, now as you can see, you have to just activate this poll and it will be activated. You can also copy the link using this tab. So in this way, you can make your meetings more interactive depending on the event you're hosting. You can keep your audience engaged. From the day I came to know about Slido, I have been using it very regularly in my meetings to get the feedback, to have an active interaction with the audience. Try to use it and let me know your experience in comments below. I hope you enjoyed doing Slido. Before leaving, please subscribe to my channel Tech Research for updated notifications. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.